Physics. In daily life. Facts, examples, and importance. Welcome to my class. Physics is a fascinating and complex field that encompasses a wide range of topics and disciplines. At its core, physics seeks to understand the fundamental laws of the universe and how matter and energy interact with one another. This includes studying the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic level, as well as the larger-scale behavior of objects and systems. One of the key areas of physics is mechanics, which deals with the motion of objects and the forces that cause them to move. This includes topics such as Newton's laws of motion, kinematics, and dynamics. Thermodynamics is another important area of physics, which deals with the transfer of heat and energy between systems. This includes topics such as temperature, entropy, and the laws of thermodynamics. Electromagnetism is another fascinating area of physics, which deals with the interaction between electrically charged particles and magnetic fields. This includes topics such as electric fields, magnetic fields, and electromagnetic waves. Optics is also a key area of physics, which deals with the behavior of light and its interactions with matter. This includes topics such as reflection, refraction, and diffraction. Finally, quantum mechanics is a cutting-edge area of physics that deals with the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic level. This includes topics such as wave-particle duality, the uncertainty principle, and quantum entanglement. The study of physics has led to many technological advancements and scientific breakthroughs, from the development of the transistor to the discovery of the Higgs boson. Overall, physics is a fascinating and essential field that helps us understand the world around us at the most fundamental level. Why should students study physics?
I'm sure you've heard about physics before. Some people say it's hard. Other people say you have to study it if you want to be an engineer or a doctor. But physics is actually way simpler than what you might think. The word physics comes from the Greek words physis, which means nature, and physik, which means knowledge of nature. So, it's really about studying nature and how it works. So what kind of things are studied in physics? You'll study energy, force, light, and movement. You'll look at the way matter moves through space and time, and how things like energy and force affects that movement. What we're trying to discover in physics is how exactly the universe behaves. So you'll be learning about the fundamental laws of the universe. Like, why don't we float up into the sky? Or why our hands look different when we put them underwater. Physics is actually one of the oldest academic disciplines. Nearly every civilization had some form of physics. It's the way that we understand the world in a scientific way. But what relevance does it have to other subjects? Both chemistry and biology rely on the laws of physics in order to perform calculations. But physics also impacts our daily lives. Cell phones and computers were created by following the laws of physics that study electricity. The same goes for kitchen appliances. Motor cars were invented when scientists discovered how to convert fuel into kinetic energy to get the car moving. And that's also how factory machinery was built. Even in medical care, machines like X-rays and ultrasounds were created by studying the principles of light and electricity. In fact, if you look at any human invention, you will see the influence of physics. Even creative industries like film production benefit from the study of physics. So it's actually quite important. And not just for old men. So what do we know about physics? We know that it means the study of nature. More importantly, physics is about examining how matter moves through space and time, and how it is affected by things like energy and force. And by studying this, we can begin to understand some of the fundamental laws of the universe. Physics covers a huge range of topics, including light, electricity, movement, energy, and force. And the study of physics has led to all kinds of inventions that we use in our everyday lives. See? Physics is awesome.
Physics is an incredibly important field of study that has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the natural world. By studying physics, students gain a deep understanding of the fundamental laws that govern the behavior of matter and energy. This knowledge is essential for many other fields, including engineering, medicine, and technology. One of the key benefits of studying physics is that it helps to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Physics problems often require creative thinking and the ability to approach complex problems from multiple angles. This type of thinking is invaluable in many different fields, and can help students to become more effective problem solvers in all areas of their lives. In addition to its practical applications, physics is also a fascinating subject in its own right. By studying physics, students gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the universe. From the smallest subatomic particles to the largest structures in the cosmos, physics provides a framework for understanding the natural world that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Overall, studying physics is a rewarding and enriching experience that can open up many career opportunities and provide a deeper understanding of the world we live in. Whether you are interested in pursuing a career in science or simply want to gain a better understanding of the natural world, studying physics is an excellent choice.